Welcome to our YouTube channel Programming Tuts. In this video we are going to see about delegate type called action. We are going to implement with some examples in Unity. Before we start, please subscribe our channel and like this video if you gain some knowledge. Create a plane in hierarchy. I am naming it as ground. Create a material for the ground and choose the color for ground. Create two cubes in hierarchy. I am naming them as player 1 and player 2. Create a separate material for player 1 and player 2. Assign the material to each players. Create a folder scripts. In scripts folder create a manager script. And open the manager script in Visual Studio. Create another script in the script folder and name the script as player. In the manager script create a public delegate type action, name it as change color. Action is same as func. But action will not return value. But func will return a value. Action can also be passed as parameter in functions or callback function. In the update method, when pressing the mouse down, call this delegate change color. Open the player script. Create a public variable for referencing manager script. And create variable for referencing material and material color. In the start function subscribe or trigger the events for the delegate which we declared in manager script. Create a same type of function in player script and change the material color. Now switch back to Unity. I am attaching the manager script to main camera. Attaching player script to player game objects. Assign all the variables which we declared. Drag and drop the manager script from main camera to player. Drag and drop the material to the player script. Give the color you want to change. Press play. Click on left mouse button. You can see the color change. Reset the color if you want for the material. Now we can pass parameter to the delegate function change color. In the manager script, we pass color as parameter to delegate function. Create one color variable in the manager script. Give the color value to the action which we declared. Now in the player script, it will give an error because the event which we are initializing or subscribing not matching the delegate which we declared in manager script. So we have to pass color parameter to it. Then the error will be gone. Now we assign the material color to the color in manager script. Save and switch back to Unity. Wait for script to reload. Give the color in manager script. Now press play. You can see the color change for both objects same which we assigned in the manager script. In the player script, give the color parameter to the material color which we declared in the player script. So now we will have different color for both objects. Now switch back to Unity. Wait for script to load. Press play. We can see different color for both objects. Please like this video if you gained some knowledge. Click on the bell icon to get notification. In bottom right, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video. If you have query, please put in comment section.